come to Mainsprings Pregnancy and Family Care with us. We go to the one in Airdrie. They tend to get more donations and overall the sweetest people ever. I've been coming here since before my son was born. They helped me in ways I couldn't imagine. The donations I received furnished my entire nursery and got me set up to have him. Most of his clothes come from here. Lots of toys to choose from. This was the haul for my friend and I. She wasn't able to come, so I picked up for her. Got a cute cooler bag and packed up the car to head home. We got 5 sleepers, 2 two-piece PJ sets, 7 pants, 10 shirts, some onesie, some tee, 2 sweaters, puzzles. Leo picked this duck rattle out specifically. The toy haul.